Hey all, good morning. We have a new couple, new series starting with Mr. Ramendra and Mrs. Madhvi Kumar. And this is the first episode as a couple series. And we are glad we have seniors who've been married for 32 years. And, they're so passionate about each other that, they blog about the experience, they write about the life experiences they had. And thanks a lot, Mr. Ramendra and Mrs. Madhvi for joining us on this particular couple show. So Mr. Ramendra is a writer, he's a speaker, he does, he's an author of a lot of books, 36 books he has written. And, Mrs. Madhvi is a very good cook. She is a singer, and, we will also get an opportunity to, listen to her, performance today. So thanks a lot for joining in. So,
Thank
the
you.
first
Our
question I
pleasure.
have is we generally do an introduction if it's a single person, but I would request Mrs. Madhvi to introduce Mr. Ramendra and vice versa.
Okay, let me start with his career, which has just ended for both of us. Took voluntary retirement as a general manager in Rourkela Steel Plant. He was the chief of communications there, and he opted to, get out of the career because he wanted to pursue his other passion, which is writing. And he's got into this habit of writing since the age of 7. And when he was around 14, 15, he wrote his first satire. And then when he was in college, he almost got bashed up because of what he had written against the fairer sex. And and then the saga continued. And somehow, even though I was also working, we somehow managed to find time for him to continue writing. So the family supported him in all ways we could, and now he's quite a prolific writer, and there on most social media, and in all kinds of newspapers and magazines and all. And he writes all kinds of things, starting from stories for very young kids to adults, and to management articles, and parenting books. And so he's got a, and even ghazals and songs. So he's got a very wide range. So it's not as if he is restricted to one particular genre, or he doesn't believe in restricting himself.
Superb.
So that's Ramendra for you.
This
Ramendra
is an
sir.
extremely difficult task, because I would need at least an hour to describe my beautiful, my gorgeous, my vivacious, my scintillating, my charming, my enticing
He's always like this, is
wife,
it?
Madhavi. And as possibly later, if you give me a chance, I would tell you that how I fell in love with her. But she's amazingly left-brained, very rational in thinking. She's great with numbers and analytics and all that. And I'm completely a big dumbass as far as these things are concerned. I think that's how we match. And she's got an uncanny ability to find those small faults in me. Uncanny. So I dare not try to pull a fast one on her. But yes, I'm her greatest fan, admirer, and what should I say? I'm as much in love with her now as I was on October 23rd, 1986, when I fell in love with her at 11 o'clock.
Oh wow, you very specific with time. Yeah, this is superb. So I have, I'm actually displaying the wedding picture of yours. So can you give, talk about the story around the wedding? And I've read the blog. It's just awesome. So, क्या हुआ था?
So we both joined as management trainees in 96 on
86.
1986, sorry, and we had to go for a medical examination in our Rourkela steel plant so that they could make sure that we are not orangutans, we are human beings. So there, I was asked to enter. I mean, to go and sit in a boardroom, in a small boardroom. And when I entered, I found a guy and a couple of girls sitting there. One girl had her back towards me, and this guy turned out to be from Hyderabad. So he said, "I'm from Hyderabad," and we shook hands and all. Then this lady turned back and she said, I'm Madhvi, I'm from Hyderabad. Ravi, people say that love at first sight is not possible. I'm saying that's humbug. That's bullshit. It took me exactly 7 seconds to fall in love with Madhavi. And I thought, if this beautiful angel agrees to marry me, I'll be the happiest person in the world. It took me 7 seconds, and she's rather slow. It took her 7 months.
Ravi, a
Yeah.
few days back, a few days back, it was 6 seconds.
No, no,
Yeah.
Today it has become 7 seconds.
yeah.
So I'm scared, maybe as we progress, the time would, go on.
Her memory is rather short,
Yeah, maybe
So
he's
7 months.
seen you outside, but he was just waiting for you to turn around and give the introduction.
So it took her 7 months, and then, being the devoted daughter she is, she said, "I'll go and talk to my dad." Then she came back all teary-eyed and all that. That it's going to be very difficult. You are a North Indian Marwadi. I'm a South Indian Telugu Vaishnavite Brahmin. So my father is saying you can marry any Telugu Vaishnavite Brahmin even if he's got a tail coming out of his backside, but you can't marry a North Indian Marwadi. And there was a lot of furor, and the entire family got together, and they kept almost, what should we say, accusing her of creating some kind of a situation in which her dad might, commit suicide, or he might just wither away and all that. So after 6 7 months of this torture, she came and told me कि रमीन, ये शादी नहीं हो सकती. मैं अपने सपनों का महल अपने पिताजी के खंडहर में खड़ा नहीं कर सकती. And I was thinking
Nothing
कि
like
this beautiful, gorgeous woman who used to be as bubbly and vivacious like Madhuri Dixit is now talking like Kamini Kaushal and Nirupa Roy. तो अभी तो कुछ होगा नहीं. So I resigned, Ravi. I resigned from the job and went back to Hyderabad, joined a consultancy firm. After 7 8 months, I got a letter from her that, can you meet me? I said, what do you mean, can I? I've been bloody sitting in the railway station.
For the
in front
last
of the
time,
RMS
एक
post
chance दे
office.
दो रमेन, एक chance दे दो.
I jumped into the first train, unreserved, and went to her. So she said, okay, let's get married. I'll leave the job and look for something in Hyderabad. So I said, if you leave your parents and you leave your job, the marriage won't last. And I talked to my father from Rourkela, to Hyderabad, where he was a professor. And he said, देखो बेटा, मनपसंद नौकरी तो मिल सकती है, मनपसंद छोकरी बहुत किस्मत वालों को मिलती है. अगर माधवी ने हाँ कर दी तो शादी कर लो. He made all the arrangements. We eloped and we got married. So, but the company said that you have to rejoin. So I became 2 years junior to her for 12 years. And in a
Oh
small
my God,
place
that's the
Rourkela,
biggest
everybody knows
sacrifice, I think.
everybody else. Where everybody knows everybody else. This was like, I was the biggest moron on planet Earth, अपनी बीवी से 2 years junior हो गया. कितना बड़ा गधा होगा ये. When she got her first promotion, for which I was not eligible, there was one gentleman who said, congratulations and condolences to Ramin. Then somebody asked why. Congratulations because his wife got the promotion. Condolences because he did not get the promotion. But anyway, that went on and on. Then we both retired as general managers. We made up with each other in career terms and all. And though she's superior to me in every other aspect. Then finally, how did my father-in-law, kind of
Accept.
reconcile or accept me as a son-in-law? I placed my 13-day-old daughter on his lap, and he, being a professor of psychology, for once he used his psychology, and he thought, anybody responsible to the extent of 50% for the production of this angel cannot be a devil. And he embraced me, and now we are best friends.
Yeah, I actually have this particular sentence on. So can you elaborate that? You basically said he probably realized that one person, who can basically lead to a creation of an angel cannot be a devil. Why did you say that?
Uh-huh.
Why did you say that?
Yeah, because he actually thought, that my daughter was looking so angelic, so pretty, so beautiful. And his daughter was anyway an angel to him till I walked in. So he thought that since I was responsible for the, for the production to the extent of 50% of the beautiful little princess, the new princess in his life, definitely I cannot be all that bad. And he deign to accept me.
No, he hadn't seen him before we got married. He didn't meet him. He didn't even want to see him. He said that no,
Okay.
it has to be a Telugu Vaishnavite Brahmin. Otherwise, I don't want to meet. I'm not here to judge any person, but I don't even want to see anybody. I just want you to get married to a Telugu Vaishnavite Brahmin. So that is why, that was all his conjecture that he thought he was the devil and all that. And that is the writer in him coming out.
Okay. So the next thing is you've actually written something on Facebook, basically complimenting Madhavi ji, or 28 years of experience. I think this was a couple of years back. So yeah, can you do you remember what you've written? 28 years of togetherness, and thanks Madhavi for my eternal sweetheart and best
Yeah,
buddy.
Oh.
yeah. So there I had actually written a poem. I don't have it with me right now, where I had tried to say that the only way uh, we can get along, any couple can get along is when they are friends. So and there I try to make it very very humorous. That like when we go shopping, what kind of experience we have, and how she keeps correcting me in the hope of still improving me. And talking about improvement, she will tell now why she chose me.
I can't be as eloquent as he is. I can't, describe in so many words. But he used to keep on pestering me. What did you see in me that you fell for me?
Fishing for compliments.
So then one day I really got irritated and I said, okay, I saw a scope for a lot of improvement in you, so that is why I married you. And after that, he shut up. He never again asked me, what did you see in me and why did you get married to me? So that was the end of it. So the improvement process continues. It's still on.
So, I mean, do you feel proud to give the credit to Mrs. Madhvi for whenever somebody compliments you?
Yeah, totally. Because the reason is that I was a weirdo. There's no doubt about it. No sense of dressing. I still had those Amitabh Bachchan kind of hairstyle even in the late
Oh
late
my God,
80s
yeah.
and early 90s. And also there were a lot of rough edges. I would lose my temper at the drop of a hat, ego issues and all that. And then I was from a guy school, from a boys' school, HPS Begumpet and all. So I feel that it's always better to be in a co-ed school because then you look at girls in less of a, men from Mars and
Mhm.
women from Venus or that kind of a way and all that. So I had a lot of angularities even as far as the my idea towards women was concerned, especially working women and all. She was a person who mellowed me, who really kind of refined my attitude, my taste, and also gave me a more balanced view of life as well as people, But balanced view of love, I have given up.
Good one. So, you have a book which recently got published. Okay, can you talk about that? So, I have the cover page which is displayed right now for the audience.
Yeah. So should I show the cover page? Yeah.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah. This is.
Yeah.
So this book is about my third child. He's a Labrador. His name is Aryan. He's drop dead handsome, the coolest stud in our family, though he has a lot of competition with me and my son, but he beats us hands down. So this is about these COVID times, love and laughter in the times of Corona. So this guy, all four of us, two teenagers in their 50s and two uber cool adults in their 20s, all closeted together in one single house for 99 days. This was a perfect recipe for World War III. But we guys had a blast. We played Scrabble, we took out old photos, did a lot of leg pulling. She cooked some lovely, lovely stuff for us to eat. And we went back to the treasure trove of our memories when the kids were young and they were growing up and all that. And we really, really enjoyed. For Aryan, this was the best time because he got oodles and oodles of affection, 4 or 5 times of stuff normally he got. He saw his all his family members around, cuddling him, giving him so much of love, care, attention.
And food.
And
And
food, of course, like I mentioned. There were moments of panic also. One day at 5:30, he was dreaming about his girlfriend.
In the
He has
evening.
a live-in partner called Priyamvada,
live-in partner.
or Pri. Yeah. So that moment he heard a loud din and he rushed out into the veranda thinking that the sky has fallen on his head or the washing machine has fallen on his head. And there he found his entire family beating the hell out of steel vessels, And his dad, who's the worst singer on planet Earth, even trying to belt out a memory. So this was one of the incidents which Aryan remembers in his own words. The second time was it was twilight when his dad came out of the house in a bright yellow full shirt and a blood red mask and scared the backside of out of
Aryan.
Aryan. He got so scared. Who is this phenomena and all that? But apart from that, the message is in the worst of times, sometimes during the worst of times, they bring out the best in us, right? And the relationships which strengthen when the going is really, really bad are the relationships which last forever. The second thing is man is the intruder, nature is not the intruder. When we were under lockdown, the animals and birds came out and they were celebrating across the world, but not with violence or intrusion, but with peace and harmony. And finally, generation next should realize that planet Earth is only a kind of a gift for them. They are the custodians, not the owners. So this is what this book talks about in Aryan's own words from his point of view.
Superb, superb. Congratulations on the book. So, friends, we
Thank
will
you.
also share the link where you can, order this particular book. It's already there on Amazon.
It's on Amazon. It's on Amazon and Flipkart. And the proceeds of the book are going to Animal Rescue Center in Bengaluru called CARE.
Oh wow, superb.
Yeah, so Madhvi, who gets all my royalty, is not going to get a single paisa. It's going to go to CARE.
Then he's talking about royalty as if it's real
Yeah,
royalty.
I know.
I mean, it's hardly anything. And he, in his own words, he says that if we have to survive on his royalty, he can't even feed Aryan for a week, So,
I agree, but yeah, but
So that is
very,
the
very
kind of
generous,
royalty
very,
we
very
get.
generous of you. So let's enter the couple challenge. Okay, are you all set?
Yeah.
Okay, you know the game and you know how to play it. You basically have
Can
to
she
point
sing
out.
a Can she sing a song?
Yeah, yeah. Let's do that.
So you start.
No, you sing a song.
Yeah, Madhvi ji, yeah. Before we
She's
start,
got
we
such
would
a
love to
beautiful
listen to
voice.
a ghazal which was written by Ramendra, which is very unique, a very rare combination where, husband is writing a ghazal and, you are, performing on it. So please.
Yeah, and after 32 years of life, if a husband writes a romantic ghazal, that's a great thumbs up for the
That
marriage.
is true.
Otherwise,
So
normally
it's
you would
not a
write
sad
something
one.
about KL Sehgal and Mukesh.
I mean, there's no music to it, so I'm just,
Yeah, we
singing
will
it
give
out
the
like
beats.
that.
We will give the beats. Sir, and I
Yeah.
will give the beats for it.
Yeah.
तुझे पाने से पहले कहीं मैं खो न दूं, नजरों से तुझको खींच कर पलकें मूंद लूं, तुझे पाने से पहले कहीं मैं खो न दूं, नजरों से तुझको खींच कर पलकें मूंद लूं, तुझे पाने से पहले कहीं तेरी नींद पे मेरा पहरा, सपनों पे मेरा हक हो, सदा रहे तू मेरा हर सांस में महक हो, तेरी नींद पे मेरा पहरा, सपनों पे मेरा हक हो,
Superb. Awesome. So, what is the best line you liked in this particular ghazal? One line, one sentence.
You answer.
It is that one, that particular line. तुझसे ही खुद को मैं फिर से मांग लूं.
Okay, can you say that saying his eyes?
तुझसे ही खुद को फिर मांग लूं, तुझे पाने से पहले कहीं मैं खो न दूं, नजरों से तुझको खींच कर पलकें मूंद लूं.
Superb. Wow. बहुत शर्मा रहे. He is not able to connect to
For
your...
once.
Because this has never happened before. Because she hates PDA, you know. That's
Okay, so couple challenge game. Okay, your first question. When you fight, who says sorry first? So, seriously.
Yeah, but I think, I mean, when I feel I'm wrong, I do go up and say sorry.
But
Yeah.
mostly
But
he
most
says
of the
sorry.
time
Mostly.
he's wrong, so he has to say sorry.
Okay. He says sorry with an explanation or just sorry?
Oh no, the explanation is very clear because he knows that he made a mistake.
Okay. But otherwise, who usually wins the argument?
He does because I sort of give in.
Okay.
yeah, I win the argument because the gift of the gab.
Who's more emotional?
He's more emotional.
Yeah.
Way,
So
way more.
you have to say it like this. Yeah. So both agree. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Who fell in love first? We know the answer, but we're still asking. Okay. So you also agree, Madhviji. Okay.
Yeah, that's what he says
well.
because it took me some time.
Who is more likely to burn the house down when they're cooking the dinner? Okay. Who is more stubborn?
And he's never cooked dinner, so my house is safe. I always keep cribbing, अरे कभी तो कुछ तो
कुछ करो.
बनाओ. I mean, there's some time when you should enter and do something. So maybe
Even
just
pandemic.
once in our life,
Even pandemic couldn't
Yeah.
make him cook.
No. He was busy writing. He was busy with the kids and all, and then they didn't want him to experiment on them. So no, but only once in our life he had entered the kitchen. He took the advice of our neighbor's wife, and he cooked a meal because I had gone out and I was just reaching that day, and we had half-cooked rice and sort of semi-cooked sabji. Then I decided it's okay for my own sake. I should not let him into the kitchen.
Incidentally, the neighbor's wife was very pretty.
Yeah. I was about to
That
ask
was
that.
the
इतना motivation एक साथ. So otherwise, who is more stubborn? Okay. So both
Very
stubborn and
stubborn.
emotional, very, very rare combination, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very stubborn. Very stubborn.
Okay. Who is better at managing finances at home? Okay. Okay. Who takes up more than half of their...
If I would have depended on him, we would be on the footpath. You
Though
just don't,
being from Marwadi family, this is also very rare
And
that...
she's a Brahmin. I worship Saraswati. She worships Lakshmi.
No, it's not like that. It's
Okay, we lost you for a bit. Okay, these are wonderful questions, but yeah, feel free to ask if you have any questions, audience. Okay, just give us a second. Yes, you're back.
just the connection. Yeah.
Because she was not telling the entire truth.
That's what it is.
Even the internet couldn't bear it.
No. That is the truth. I had to learn it, how to manage finances because he was worse than me.
Yeah, I'm pathetic.
Okay, this is a tricky one. Who takes up more than their half of the bed?
Half of bed.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I do.
Okay. Who? Okay. Who is the bigger flirt?
No
Okay.
doubt
No doubt, right?
that.
Yeah.
My
How do you
God,
manage? How do you
just
manage, Madhvi Garu? How do you manage?
I tell him I don't care, and he knows he's totally dependent on me. He can't go anywhere. वो जो बोलते हैं ना ढील दे के रखे, he can go only up to that string. I mean the length of the string.
I am a terrific flirt,
Incorrigible.
incorrigible flirt. Within the first 5-6 minutes, if I don't start flirting with a pretty lady, I feel I'm going to have a brain hemorrhage.
Yeah, yeah. So I think some personalities are built like that. So
Yes. And he thinks I'm a fool, but he keeps practicing that on me, and he
yeah.
thinks I fall for that. Yeah.
Okay. Anytime, this is for Ramendra ji. Anytime, when you're meeting friends and all that, you're sitting like this. कभी ऐसा लगा, when you're talking something which is, similar to the earlier question, like you're flirting and, पीछे से ऐसा छोटा सा, from Madhvi ji saying that, stop, Ramendra.
No, it is not the anything piche se and all that. She only has to give me a look like this.
Okay.
And I know that I'm crossing my limits. मैं चुप रहूंगा. I know that gaze is like, it speaks volumes, It's like a should I say, the sharpest missile ever invented by man or God. So
Stop him there.
I just freeze, and then I start singing Om Jai Jagdish Hare
Okay.
mentally.
So who's more likely to run late always? मतलब शादी पे जाना है या ऑफिस जाना है and all that. Who was always late? Okay.
I have this one that I can't take so much of tension, huh? And this guy is like, wherever we have to go, we have to be at least 5 minutes before time. So even when we had to come on this program, he made me sit here since 10:30, and like two good school kids, we were sitting and waiting for you. So this was something which used to create so much of tension in me when we were working, because he, as usual, would do nothing. So I had to do all the work and, get everything set and then get ready by 8:30 in the morning, because this guy, he would start, from 7:30. 7:30 बज गया, 7:40 हो गया, 7:45 हो गया, and, the tension of, getting ready and, I mean, trying to avoid his, bhashan, speech, if I'm even 2
Reminders
minutes late.
reminders, yeah.
That used to drive me crazy,
No, she's kind of covering up. See,
No. The thing is that, when we retired, that was the thing which I thought, now I don't have to get up and get ready by 8:30, because office is at 9 o'clock. But 8:30 I have to, because this fellow will, eat my head.
punctuality is a habit. For me, punctuality is an obsession.
Right.
In the last program with you also, I was there 20 minutes early. And there was an occasion when we went to a marriage. She took 20 minutes to get dressed. We went and came back before that 20 minutes.
It was one of his colleagues' son's wedding. So there, this guy just goes, says hello. We hand over the gift, and that guy introduces us to the bride and bridegroom.
We eat and come back.
And then, he says, हाँ चलो खा लेते हैं. As if you don't want to meet anybody else.
Who do I meet? No pretty lady.
No.
No pretty lady. What do I do there?
No, and then,
He is there at the point.
And then, no, and then what we did, we just went, we had our food, and then he says, chale. I said, did we just come here to eat, or did we come here to meet anyone? He said, नहीं हो गया, मिल लिया सबसे. And I didn't know those people very well. They were, his junior colleagues in the office. So I didn't know anybody there. And this fellow, and exactly 20 minutes later, we were at home. And I said that it took me such an effort to get ready, and हम अच्छे से शौक से तैयार होके गए, and then what happens? We are back home in 20 minutes. Yeah, what a waste.
Yeah.
Ravi,
But I
appreciate
also
this.
agree with him. There is a point there. Some weddings you really don't want to spend more time.
Yeah.
जाना है,
And
formality
Ravi,
है.
I have this
No.
talent. 1 second.
Suno.
I have this talent that if I enter a room, a hall filled with 500 people, I can spot the prettiest lady in 10 or
It's-
15 seconds.
yeah.
There nobody was there, and the prettiest lady is with me. So why should I not spend
Yeah,
time with
it's
her
high
in my
risk,
house?
this thing,
Saga
right?
in that pandal.
No. See, Ravi, the thing is that, in a place like Rourkela, any marriage you go, you're definitely, you surely meet people because this is a small township and, everybody sort of knows everybody else. But he took me, if they had said 8 o'clock in the card, we arrived there at 8:01. So now
7:59.
people don't come like that for marriages. Okay. So when we reach there at 8 o'clock, and then what happens is there's nobody around. So he said, bas kha ke chalte. I said, can attendance डाल दिया खाएंगे चलेंगे.
It's a
Oh,
habit.
it's
Ask
such a-
Mahatma Gandhi. It's a habit. Punctuality is a habit. To her own program where she had to sing a song, she went 20 minutes late.
No. I am not like that. I wouldn't have been like this. See, the thing is that if you have to do two things and somebody has to finish 20 things, there is
There is a
a
difference.
that
Yeah, she does 20 things, but with that concentration of 20 things, I keep gazing at her. So I'm also doing 20 things.
No,
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 you're
no,
not
no.
doing
That even I don't agree.
she's getting ready and all that. I keep looking at her. So then I'm also busy.
But who's a better dancer, when you're going to some of these weddings, when there are people and, it is colorful, you see pretty people, who's a better dancer?
I have a blast. You should play one of my videos. I still dance to Battamiz Dil at the age of 57.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
I have danced in a Greek restaurant to Greek music,
Yes.
and she warned me that you will be beaten up. And then she shot the video and she loved it.
Okay. Who's more likely to deal with a spider or a lizard in the bathroom? Who takes up the challenge?
he won't
No?
go anywhere near
Seriously?
that.
Seriously?
And you would find him jumping onto the cot or the sofa and he'll say, Arey Madhu, dekho,
With
dekho.
me with rats. I'm scared of mice and rats. Snakes I love. She doesn't like snakes.
And
Snakes I love.
snakes don't come into the house, okay?
In Africa, I draped a snake because snakes remind me of my relatives
All
and
that-
mice remind me of her relatives. So I'm scared of mice.
Okay.
That's
Who's a bigger baby when it comes to catching a cold and fever? He needs a lot of attention, is it? Huh?
Lot of attention. My
I
God,
love attention.
He would just start at cold and he would say, मैं ना शायद मर जा रहा हूँ. I think I have 104. And I and my daughter, we just look at each other and फिर चालू हो
My
गया
son
है.
is also like
And
that.
a little bit of discomfort and it will be as if, it's a big calamity and, he's now on the verge of death. Big drama buzz.
Total, I agree.
Pura.
Take advantage when you get it.
Yeah.
No, it's like he takes it always. There's no take advantage kind of thing.
Who is best when it comes to giving gifts? When you're going to some of these weddings and all that, one person is really good, some persons are choosy. ये formality है यार, ये बस ये दे देंगे. Or some people are like, अच्छा देना है तो अच्छा देना है. So who is best?
That
I think
both
both,
of us
both,
have. Both of us
both
have.
of-
Yeah.
Okay. Who's
देना
more?
है तो अच्छा देना है, नहीं तो फिर बंद कर दो.
It should be thoughtful.
हाँ. That is there for both.
Who's most likely to get into a fight outside? Not between both of you, but outside. And what occasions do you?
Drop of a hat.
Auto fellow side से कट कर लेता. God, for 10 minutes I have to face it
Yeah.
because वो तो चला गया.
Same here. High five, Ramendra ji. Yeah, same here.
He also agrees.
Okay, who is very dramatic? Sabhi, all points are going to him.
पूरा ड्रामेबाज है. I said ना, anything and everything he can enact and put in all.
I'm a
the-
storyteller by passion. I have to be the drama boss. And if I wasn't a drama boss, she wouldn't be with me, no.
Have you ever thought of sending him to this Big Boss show? He'll be a right fit, right?
नहीं. He goes for storytelling festivals. वो big boss वो सब में तो लड़ लेगा. नहीं, he cannot. वो नहीं कर
Storytelling
पाएगा.
festivals. See, the biggest drama you have to indulge is when you're with,
With
children,
small
no?
children.
Yeah. There
Yeah,
are a lot of
that is
antics.
really good. Really good. And very, very unself-conscious. He is in his elements. When
1100 kids for an hour. I handled in Abu Dhabi.
Superb.
in a particular school.
Who's most likely to forget everyone else's birthday? You?
I can't remember. Like he said, 23rd October, 11 a.m. मेरे को कुछ याद नहीं.
Who's very sweet when it comes to outsiders? Hmm? Yeah.
Hey, I'm sweet when it comes to outsiders of a certain gender. She's basically sweet with everybody. She's a sweet person. I'm selectively sweet.
I'm not selective. I can be, the same with either.
Hmm.
So,
But yes, for me, I have one thing. I have a great empathy for underdogs. So any underdog, man or animal, I'm for them. I'll fight for them. I'll do anything possible for them.
Super. Okay, so that really ends the challenge. So it is up to the friends, your family members, your kids to decide who did well and who was really honest and saying who's who. But we
yeah.
really loved it, and the final questions, because you have 32 years of marriage, and you've seen ups and lows. Very rare combination where both envy each other, both are at a very good position where you've really showcased yourself in your own skill sets, and still going on happily. So what is the message you got for young couples out there who are in a marriage, but वो थोड़ा सोचते हैं कि ours is a bad marriage, but what is a common message? Are fights common? Are arguments common? Differences common? What is that message each one of you have for them?
Yeah, I'll speak first because once he starts, he won't stop. So let me finish and then he can, sort of take over. Now, the only thing I would say is that we do have our arguments. I mean, I'm talking about us. We do have arguments, very, vociferous arguments, and this one. But then we cool down also equally fast. And then the thing is that, see, because maybe we have got into this marriage out of our own choice. So it is, very important for us to remember what were the things which, sort of got you into that marriage about the other person. I mean, ठीक है, everybody has their eccentricities, their angularities, and everybody has their moods also. But that doesn't, that should not overpower your earlier whatever you had, for that person. And why in the first place did you actually want to be with that person, marry that person, and all? So that thing should always be, there at the background. Baki sab aage, whatever comes, whatever goes, it's okay. And then you again come back to the base. So you shouldn't give up on each other just because you have a few differences. There must be a lot of things which are, common to both of you and where you gel properly. So a few this way, that way, हो जाता है. लड़ लेना, free लड़ लेना, उसके बाद then you again cool down and then that's it, fine. You again adjust. So adjustments have to be there. That kind of, to compatibility doesn't come overnight. It's not like, they say that, okay, this star, that star, you match the horoscopes and then two people become compatible. I don't think so.
Superb.
Although this one is for him.
Yeah, so my message would, not message, my concern I would like to express more for the guys than the girls, because I think the girls are far more confident now than they were during our times and more aware. They're going out in the open, shoulder to shoulder, as the cliche goes. So I would say that the guy should respect the woman. Respect is a word which people don't realize. This is the number one quality a guy should have. A girl also should respect, but a guy should definitely respect. The movie Thappad, I liked it only for that reason. Second thing is trust. You have to have trust in each other. If you don't trust each other, your marriage is not going to last.
Even though he keeps flirting.
Yeah, even though I keep flirting and all that. And third is, you should be friends. Friends first and foremost.
Yeah.
Husband and wife will definitely happen and will continue and all that. You should enjoy each other's company, And what happens is, like in us, we have huge number of differences, not differences, but different like opinions or different tastes, different traits, different personalities, right? And we have a lot of similarities. So my final takeaway would be, I mean, for the others, would be that celebrate the differences, enjoy the similarities, forget the rest, and have a blast.
Superb. Superb. Thank you. Thanks a lot for joining us.
Thank you.
It was wonderful having both of you on this show. Great story, great, wedding story. And I really like what both of you said, especially what Madhavi madam has said. You should not forget what you've promised or, the purpose of your marriage where you both decided. So, let it stay strong and then, let it not go. Some of these things aate jate rehte hain, but always remember the initial thought process or initial decision that you've taken. So thanks a lot for the message and thank you for joining in. I really enjoyed the show. I hope you also enjoyed the show. And
He really enjoyed. Actually, the first time I remember me blushing, kind of blushing. So that's a new high for me now.
but you failed. You couldn't see in her eyes when she was,
No, I couldn't see.
saying
he
that
couldn't,
sentence.
he couldn't.
He couldn't see.
I couldn't see.
Are you ready to see now? Are
Such a
you ready to
unnatural-
face her now?
Such an unnatural thing to happen to me. I thought I'll be so knock-kneed, I'll fall off. That Madhi looking at me and saying, "Tumko ye, tumse wo," and all that. Never, and that too in public. She shies away from PDA, public display of affection, so much. You made that happen, Ravi. Thanks a ton, and congrats to you actually.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. God bless both of you and keep rocking. And please set a message for other couples out there. The way you drive each other. Thank you. Have a blessed day.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Take care. Namaskaram.